Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning your PS4 controller's vibration on or off. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, scroll down a bit and select Devices. In Devices, select Controllers. Here you can choose to enable or disable vibration for your DualShock controller. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.